In this video, we will discuss the 5 best budget gaming PCs on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. CyberPower Gaming PC. The CyberPower Gaming PC stands as a formidable entry in the mid-range gaming market, delivering impressive performance without breaking the bank. At its heart, the AMD Ryzen 7 8700 for the processor, with its 8 cores and 16 threads, handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease, while the RTX 4060 Ti graphics card ensures smooth gameplay at high settings in modern titles. Build quality is evident in the sleek design, featuring a tempered glass side panel that showcases the custom RGB lighting system. The 16 GB of DDR5 RAM paired with a speedy 1 TB PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD provides quick load times and responsive system performance. Connectivity is comprehensive, with multiple USB ports, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, meeting most users' needs. This PC delivers excellent value for gamers seeking a powerful, ready-to-run system with room for future upgrades. Number 2. Skytech Gaming Shadow Gaming PC. The Skytech Gaming Shadow Gaming PC emerges as a compelling choice in the competitive gaming PC market, offering robust performance for modern gaming demands. Powered by Intel's i7-12700F processor, which can boost up to an impressive 4.9 GHz, this system handles demanding titles with confidence. With a narrow pierce, the RTX 4060 Ti graphics card proves more than capable of delivering smooth 14.4-tip gaming experiences across a wide range of popular titles. The build impresses with its thoughtful configuration, combining 16 GB of DDR4 RAM with a generous 1 TB NVMe SSD for quick load times and responsive system performance. The case design stands out with its tempered glass panel and 4 RGB ring fans, not only providing effective airflow but also creating an attractive aesthetic that many gamers will appreciate. Number 3. ASUS ROG Gaming Desktop PC. The ASUS ROG G13 gaming PC exemplifies ASUS's commitment to delivering premium gaming experiences with its striking balance of performance and design. At its core, the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, paired with the RTX 4060 GPU, provides excellent gaming performance, while 16 GB of cutting-edge DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking and future-proofing. What sets this system apart is its thoughtful design approach to thermal management. The airflow-optimized chassis, with its dedicated CPU and GPU zones, maintains impressive noise levels below 40 dB while ensuring optimal cooling. The customizable RGB lighting system, managed through AuraSync, allows for personalization of both internal and external lighting, creating a cohesive aesthetic across your gaming setup. Number 4. MSI Aegis ZS Gaming Desktop. The MSI Aegis ZS Gaming Desktop presents a well-balanced gaming solution, combining AMD's capable Ryzen 7 7700 processor with NVIDIA's RTX 4060 graphics card to deliver solid 1080 and entry-level 14.4-tip gaming performance. The system's core configuration hits the sweet spot for modern gaming, pairing 16 GB of fast DDR5 RAM with a spacious 1 TB SSD that provides both quick boot times and ample storage for a growing game library. MSI's attention to thermal management is evident in the RGB fan cooling system, which not only keeps components running at optimal temperatures, but also adds a touch of gaming aesthetic to the build. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast, reliable wireless connectivity for online gaming sessions, while the DIY-friendly design appeals to users who might want to upgrade components in the future. Number 5. Thermaltake Vista E350-R4 Gaming Desktop. The Thermaltake Vista E350-R4 Gaming Desktop makes a striking first impression with its panoramic tempered glass design. Offering an unobstructed view of its internal components, the elegant aesthetics are complemented by an ARGB tower air cooler that not only adds visual flair, but also provides effective thermal management for the system's core components. At its heart, the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, paired with an RTX 3050 graphics card, delivers reliable 1080p gaming performance, though it may struggle with more demanding titles at higher settings. The 16GB of DDR4/3 600NV SSD provide a responsive computing experience with quick load times and sufficient storage for a modest game library. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.